Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 mathematics, that is practice paper number 2. This is part 3. In part 3 we are going to solve questions related to 4 and 5 marks questions. So now let us solve the 4 and 5 marks question. So the 34th question is, so it is like this. The sum of the first 5 terms in an AP is 55. If the fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first 2 terms, then find the terms of the AP. So now let us solve this question. So what they have given, let us see. That is, if the sum of the first 5 terms of an AP is 55. So let us write here, let the first 5 terms be, let the first 5 terms be a minus 2d, comma a minus d, comma a plus d, comma a plus 2d. These are the first 5 terms of an AP. Now a minus 2d, add all the 5 terms, it will be equal to 55. A plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 55, plus 2d minus 2d plus d minus d. So 5a is equal to 55, a is equal to 11. 5 ones are 555. Sorry, 5 ones are 5 11s. So we got the value of a as 5. 11. If the fourth term is 5 more than, if the fourth term is, so which is the fourth, first let us write like this. If the fourth term is 5 more than twice the sum of first 2 terms, twice the sum, more than the sum of the first 2 terms. Sum of the first 2 terms means a1 plus a2. Fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. So that means you have to write it as a4 is equal to a1 plus a2 plus 5. a4, what is a4? a4 is a plus d is equal to a1. What is a1? a minus 2d plus what is a2? a minus d plus 5. So a plus d is equal to a plus a become 2a minus 2d minus 1d become minus 3d plus 5. So a, you do one thing, d here itself you bring plus minus 3d, it will become plus 3d is equal to 2a. You bring plus a, it will become minus a plus 5. So do d plus 3d become 4d. 2a minus a is a plus 5. So now 4d is equal to a is 11 plus 5. So 4d is equal to 16. Now you told to find the terms of the AP. So let us first we have calculated A. Now let us calculate D. So 4D is equal to 16. So D is equal to 16 by 4. Therefore D is equal to 1 za 4 za. So the value of D is 4. After getting the value of D, now let us write the terms of the AP. So let us write the terms of the AP. A minus 2d, comma a minus d, comma a plus d, comma a plus 2d. So a is 11, 11 minus 2 into d. So d is 4, comma a is 11 minus d is 4. A is 11, comma a is 11 plus d is 4. A is 11 plus 2 into d is 4. So 2 4s are 8, 11 minus 8 is 3, 11 minus 4 is 7, so comma 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 11 is 19. So 3 comma 5 comma 11 comma 15 comma 19 are the terms of the given AP. So like this we have to solve question number 34. So 35, it is theorem. It is, we have to state and prove Pythagoras theorem. That is 35th question. So 36th, so let us see what is there 36th. So 36th question is solve graphically x plus y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. So let us solve this question. First let us solve the equation. X plus y is equal to 7 xy. So if you give, for x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 7. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 7. Then another equation, x minus y is equal to minus 1. X, y. If I give x is equal to 0, if it is 0, minus y is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel, y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. So for these values, we have to put the graph. So let us draw the graph for this question. So let us plot the that is linear graph for this one. So what they have given, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7. X 0, y 7 means at this point. Then x 7, y 0. X 7, y 0, it is this point. So now let us join these 2 points now. So ಈಗ ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So this is one line for one equation. So let us draw another line for another equation. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. X is 0 and y is 1 is here. Then another value is if y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 means here minus 1. Now let us join these two lines, these 2 points now. So ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let us join these 2 points. So ಎರಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ see both the lines will intersect at this point. So from that point you have to draw the that is dotted line you have to draw. So let us draw the dotted line from where 2 lines intersect each other. So now this is, so now that intersecting line is meeting the x-axis at 3. Therefore x is equal to plus 3, and it is meeting at x is equal, y is equal to plus 4. Therefore the values for the given equation is, the solution for the given linear equation in 2 variables is x is equal to plus 3 and y is equal to plus 4. So like this we have to draw the graph. Next let us move for the next question. That is it is related to applications of trigonometry. So now let us move for the 37th question. A tree broke due to gale and fell down, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. So we have to find the height of the tree. So let us answer this question now. So in that one only one more internal choice question is there. Let us solve both the questions. So this is the height of the tree. This is the level ground and this is the height of the tree. So AB is the height of the tree. The total height of the tree will be equal to, it is equal to h meter. Now he has given that a tree broke due to gale and fell down, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree, this is the foot of the tree and this is the top. At this point it breaks. So it get breaks at this point, that is at D it will get breaks, and this portion AD it falls to the ground and it touches the ground at an angle of touches the ground at an angle of 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree is equal to, it is equal to 8 meter. That is distance between B and C, which is equal to 8 meter. Now let us find out what is the height of the tree. So total height of the tree na h meter anta tagondre, so broken part, idu broken part A ಇಂದ D ತನಕ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು broken part, ಇದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದೆಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಚ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟು, ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಎಚ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಡಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಸಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಸಿ. In triangle BCD, angle B is equal to 90 degree. If this is theta, so this will be the hypotenuse, this will be the opposite and this will be the adjacent. So tan theta is equal to, opposite is x and adjacent is, opposite is x and adjacent is 8. So tan theta is 30 degree is equal to x by 8. So now tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to x by 8. So now cross multiply it, 8 ones. So x is equal to 8 by root 3 meter. That is, what is the part that remaining on the ground? So the BD is x, that is the remaining part on the ground. So this you call it as 1. Now here they have given, if this is theta, so this one BD is opposite and BC is adjacent and CD is hypotenuse. Now I will take opposite, that is adjacent and hypotenuse I will take. So adjacent by hypotenuse side will give cos theta. So now in triangle BDC, cos theta is equal to, so if this is theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent and hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to, adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is CD. So cos theta is 30 degree is equal to, BC is 8 divided by CD. So CD is, we got CD as h minus x. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, which is equal to 8 divided by h minus x. So now you shift this here and this here and bring root 3 to the denominator. So h minus x is equal to 8 into 2 divided by root 3. So now let us solve this one. H minus x is equal to 16 by root 3. So we want h is equal to 16 by root 3 plus root 3, plus x. This minus x become plus x. H is equal to 16 by root 3 plus, what is x? So x already we got it as 8 root 3. So 8 by root 3, So both the denominators are same, add the numerator. So now h is equal to 16 plus 8, it will become 24. So 24 divided by root 3. So h is equal to 24 can be written as 8 into root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. Because root 3 into root 3 is 3. 8 3s are 24. Root 3 cancel. Therefore the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. Therefore the height of the tree, which is equal to 8 root 3 meter. So like this we have to find out the height of the tree. So the total height of the tree we have taken it as h. Therefore h is equal to, that is 8 root 3 meter. So like this we have to find out the height of the tree. Now let us move for internal choice question. That is, two poles of equal length are standing opposite each other on either side of a road which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. One, the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. So let us calculate both the things. So now let us answer this one. So this is 37th. It is our question. So this is a road which is 80 meter. AC is the road which is 80 meter wide. So here one pole is there that we call it as AB, and another pole is there that we call it as CD. So in this question, AB is the height of the pole and CD is height of another pole. Both the poles are equal, which is equal to h meter. So two poles of equal height they have given. So now we are standing at the point D between A and C. Now if I look the top of this pole by standing at D at an angle of elevation which is equal to 60 degree. Now at the same point, if I observe the top of the another pole at an angle of elevation 30 degree, we have to find out what is the height of the two poles, and also we are standing at this point, what is the distance between A to D and C to D. So AD and CD distance we have to find out. So now if the total distance from A to C is 80 meter, in case if the distance between A and D is x, then what is the distance between C and D? It is 80 minus x. So by using this one, let us calculate the height of the pole, height of the poles, and also distance between from the point D. So now in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, so if this is theta, so this is h meter and this is also h meter. So this is opposite and this is adjacent. So tan theta is equal to opposite means AB, adjacent means AD. So tan, what is theta? 60 degree. AB is h meter divided by AD is x meter. So tan 60 and root 3 divided by is equal to h by x. So now x is equal to h by root 3. X is equal to h by root 3. You call it as 1. Now I will take one more triangle. In triangle, I will take this C, that is this one. I will take it as E. Then here CE, I have to take it as. So CE in triangle that is CDE. In triangle CDE, if this is theta, so CE is the opposite and CD is the adjacent. So again use tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite is CE and adjacent is CD. So tan, what is theta? 30 degree is equal to CE is h divided by CD is 80 minus x. So what is tan 30 degree? So it is 1 by root 3 is equal to h divided by 80 minus x. So now you cross multiply it now. So much it will become 80 minus x is equal to h root 3. So x root 3. Then minus x is equal to h root 3 plus 80 become minus 80. So x is equal to, so multiply everything by minus, minus into minus is plus is equal to, so minus 80 become plus 80, then plus h root 3 become minus h root 3. You call this as 2. So now both 1 and 2 it is equal to x, therefore 1 is equal to 2. So what is 1? H root 3 is equal to 80 minus h root 3. So now h is equal to root 3 into 80 minus h root 3. So h is equal to 80 into root 3, 80 root 3 minus h into root 3 into root 3. So h is equal to 80 root 3 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3h. h minus 3h become minus 3h become plus 3h is equal to 80 root 3. So it will become 4h is equal to 80 root 3. So now let us calculate what is the value of h. So h is equal to 80 root 3 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 20s. So h is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Therefore the height of Therefore, the height of two poles is 20 root 3 meter. So this is the height of two poles. The height of each pole. The height of each pole is 20 root 3 meter. After that one, we have to find the distance between them. So we know that x is equal to h by root 3. That is equal to h is 20 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancel. X is equal to 20. So now let us find the distance between A and D. So AD is equal to x, which is equal to 20 meter. Then distance between that is D and C, CD. CD is equal to 80 minus x. 80 minus x is 20, so that is equal to 60 meter. So from the point D, the distance between A and D is x, which is equal to 20 meter, and distance between here A and D is x, and C and D is 80 minus x. It is 20, and 80 minus 20 is 60. So 20 and 60 are the distance between that is point D. So like this we have to solve this question. So now let us move for the last question of this paper, that is for 5 marks question. So here a cylinder is made out of wood. This is the cylinder which is made up of wood. A conical wedge is bored on one side and a hemispherical wedge is bored on the other side as shown in the figure. So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ವುಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಿಕಲ್ ವುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೋನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಸ್ 40 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಸ್ 7 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋನ್, ಈ ಕೋನಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಹೈಟ್, and that narrow height is given as 24 centimeter. Now we have to find out what is the volume of the solid. So let us calculate what is the volume of the solid. So here three figures are there. One is cylinder, another one is cone, and another one is hemisphere. So we know what is the height of the cylinder, 40, radius of the cylinder 7, and height of the cone, this is the height of the cone, which is given as 24 centimeter. Now we have to find out the volume of this cone. To find the volume of this this wood is, that is from the volume of a cylinder, you subtract the sum of the volume of cone and hemisphere. From the volume of cylinder, you have to subtract the sum of the volume of cone and hemisphere. Then we will get the volume of what is the required volume that of that solid, we will get it. So cylinder na volume ninda ಕೋನಿನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮು ಮತ್ತು ಎಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ನಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವುಡನ್ ಆರ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು 3. Let us divide it like this. So here three figures are there. One is cylinder, then another one is cone, then hemisphere. So cylinder, height of the cylinder is given as 40 centimeter, and radius of the cylinder is given as 7 centimeter. Then height of the cone is given as 24 centimeter, and radius of the cone is given as 7 centimeter. Then radius of hemisphere is equal to 7 centimeter. So now to find the volume of the solid. So how to find the volume of the solid? Let us see it now. So volume of solid is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of solid is equal to volume of cylinder pi r square h, volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. So V is equal to pi. If you take pi as it is, you write down, into r square andre 7 square into height is 40 minus 1 by 3 pi into r square is 7 square into h of the h is height of the cone, which is equal to 24, plus 2 by 3 into pi into radius is 7 into 7. So now volume is equal to 7 square is 49. 49 into 40 is 1960 pi minus 3 ones are 3 eights. So now it will become 7 square is 49. So 49 into 8. So if you multiply 49 into 8, 8 nines are 72, get to 7 carry. 8 fours are 32, 39. So 392 pi plus 293 pi into, so that is 7 7 the 49, 49 into 2 will become 198 by 3 pi, 198. So here 2 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi into 7 into 7 into 7, so it will become 300 and 7 sevens are 49, 49 into 49 into 7 become 343. So 343 into 343 into 2 is there. So how much it will become? Let us see. 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. 343 into 2. So 343 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So it will become 686. It will become 686 pi. 686 pi ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ 2 ಪೈ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 sevens are 14, 14 sevens are 98, 98 sevens are become 686. So 686 ಆಯಿತು. Then this one you put it in bracket. So volume is equal to 1960 pi into, if you take LCM as 3, so 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 2 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. So 1176 pi plus 686 pi. So volume is equal to 1960 pi minus, so if you add and if you add these two, so how much we will get, let us see. So ಇವೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 1176. So if you add these two, it will be equal to 1862 pi divided by 3. So now let us take let us take 3 as the LCM. So if you take 3 as the LCM, let us see what we will get here. So if you take 3 as LCM, volume of the solid is equal to 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, then 3 9s are 27, 28, 2 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. 5880 pi minus 1862 pi. So now if I multiply, if I divide it, if I subtract and divide it by 3, volume is equal to, so from 5880, if you subtract 1826, so how much we'll get, let us see. 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5, 8 minus 8 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4054 pi divided by 3 centimeter cube. So this is the volume. So like this we have to find out the volume. So fourth of, even if you want to simplify it also you can simplify it, other if you leave this much also no problem. 4054 pi divided by 3 cc, centimeter cube. So like this we have to answer this question. So by this we have successfully completed practice paper number 2 of class 10th mathematics. In the next video we are going to solve question paper 3. So till then, thank you very much. Those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, share my videos and like my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thanks for everyone for your great support.